Welcome to Vintage Variety. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some jewelry I purchased that is craft repair. And I think you guys are really going to be surprised by some of the items that I got. And I'll also show you a couple of my latest thrift store finds. I'm going to start with this lot that I purchased on Etsy. When I ran across this, I just couldn't resist it. It has a lot of really good pieces in it. This is a craft, wear, or repair lot, but as you will see, it has some really good items. I am going to get this poured out and show you all of the individual pieces. And to be perfectly honest, I have a ton of jewelry that needs repairs on it, and I just haven't sat down and took the time to do it. I have been putting those pieces together, so I may be doing content on that pretty soon, and I'll show you how I repair pieces along with how I repurpose some of them. But this is just a really great lot, and most of the repairs on this lot are going to be really simple. There are some vintage and some antique pieces. This brooch, I think this is really pretty. It has some AB stones in it. And you guys know I don't have great eyesight, but as far as I can tell, I don't think this is really missing anything. It may have just been an extra that was thrown in there, but the pin's intact on the back. And so far, I don't see any missing stones, so that's not a bad piece. And I thought these were adorable. It looks like a paper clip. Look at its little tail. He has little red rhinestone eyes. And this would be really cute to pin to a shirt collar. There's two of them. One is a mouse and one is a cat. So how cute would this look, both of them pinned together on a shirt collar? Or maybe one on each collar of a shirt. So nothing wrong with these at all. I thought they were really adorable. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I may keep those. Another item that was in this lot, or items, are these two dress clips. And the clips are in good condition. Now these are missing some rhinestones here and there. That is a pretty simple fix. I do have some extra rhinestones laying around. It's just a matter of finding them. And those would just need to be glued back in. So not bad at all, a very simple repair. The only issue is finding the right size rhinestone and making sure that the color that you put in there looks right. I probably won't keep these if I repair them. I will probably list them on my eBay. I do have quite a collection of fur clips and dress clips, things like that. But either way, I thought these were a really good item. You guys let me know what you think of this lot in the comments, but so far I am extremely pleased with it. The next item is this necklace, and this is a vintage necklace. It is broken. Again, a very easy repair. It just needs to be restrung. I really like the beads on this necklace. These are all glass beads. It has these beautiful milk glass beads, and get a load of these marbled looking beads. They remind me of old vintage glass marbles. I'm going to guess that these are art glass. At least that's what I'm going to call them, is art glass beads. But you guys, if there is a different name for them, let me know in the comments. I always love trading information with you guys. And a lot of times I might not know the name for something or exactly what it is. And you guys always seem to help me out a lot with that. And the last item in this lot is this brooch, and this is why I bought the lot. Look at this. This is antique. I love the dragon on it. Isn't that beautiful? And this looks very Art Nouveau. In fact, I believe it most likely is. It could be a little bit later, but it does have an Art Nouveau look to it. And you can see the stone in this piece is loose. So I'll show you guys the back. It looks as though at one time or the other the pin came undone and someone's repaired that. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to leave it the way it is. This one does have a C clasp on it. And of course, this is just a stamping, but I love the design of it. Could use a cleaning, I suppose. So this has the sawtooth settings in it. So to repair this, all I would really have to do would be loosen these settings up a little, put the stone back in it, and tighten it up. One thing I did notice with the stone is it does have a little chip out of it, and you will find that quite often in very old jewelry like this piece. Out of this lot, my favorites are, of course, this brooch and the little cat and mouse pins. You guys let me know which one is your favorite. Now I'm going to show you a couple of pieces that I thrifted. Not a large thrift haul at all, only 2 pieces. Both of them are necklaces, so I decided to combine it with this unboxing video. This first one, I really like this. This is an Ann Taylor. Probably a little more modern, but I love the design of it. Let me zoom in on that. Hopefully you guys can make it out. So there's the marking, Ann Taylor. I love how it has the little tiny rhinestone attached to the back near the tag on this. So really pretty gold tone necklace. And you can see that some of these circles have tiny rhinestones.
I'll show you what I like the most about this.
There we go. Untangled. Look how beautiful that is.
What I like the most about this.
This would look really pretty worn by itself or layered with other pieces.
You can,
and I just really like the look and the design of this one.
Loops.
So this was a really good thrift store find, and I'm wondering, it may not look right, but really if you wanted to, you could wear this reversed without the rhinestones, or you could wear it like this with the rhinestones. I think it looks better on the side with the rhinestones. This one has a lobster claw closure, and it is adjustable. Here's a better look at this necklace on the form. I think this is quite stunning. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I think I would layer this with some more gold chains. This would also look really good with some clear lucite beads, or maybe some AB beads, even some black beads. You guys let me know what you think of this necklace and how you would wear it. I think it's a standalone piece, but could be layered. And this to me just looks really classic. There are certain pieces of jewelry that no matter when they were made, they're not really going to go out of style. And you've heard a lot of people say future vintage, and this would really fit in well to that category. This is a piece that is relevant today, but it's still going to be relevant to wear 10, 20, 30, even 50 years from now, as long as it's properly cared for and kept in really good condition. So I thought this piece was a really good find. Really love it. This is a piece that I would definitely wear. I'm not sure if I will keep it or not, or if I will list it on my eBay. But either way, I thought it was a great find. My second find was this beautiful little necklace. Isn't that gorgeous? The stones that you see in it are glass. And I'm going to try to show you guys the marking on this one. So that's our closure. It is expandable, or adjustable rather. And here's the marking. This one is a Givenchy necklace. And love the gunmetal color of it with the black beads. Very monochromatic. I also like the way the front of this dangles down. How cute would this look with a little black summer dress? And this is also a stand-alone piece. Here's a look at this one on the form. This necklace is a shorter length, so it's going to fall right around the collarbones. And I think that would look really great with a summer dress, as I've already mentioned. Any type of sundress. Just love the simple classic design of this piece. This would also look really beautiful if it was layered with maybe some more black beads or something along that line. Perhaps if you had some gunmetal colored chains, you could even layer this really simply with some silver tone chains. But this is a really good piece, and I feel like this was a really lucky find. Givenchy makes some beautiful jewelry, and a lot of the pieces are vintage. I do not think this piece is that vintage, but again, it falls into that category of future vintage. It has a very classic design that would be relevant today or 30, 40, 50 years from now. So not bad at all. Today's content was a little shorter than usual. Didn't have as many items to show you. However, I am very, very pleased with the items that I ordered off of Etsy, the repair lot. Lots of great items in there. I think that the two necklaces were just fabulous finds. Both of them are signed. And you guys let me know in the comments, out of all of the items, which ones were your favorites. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.